guys, if you'd like to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. So I prepped her face first with my Clinique Surge Spray and Clinique Face Cream. Then for her primer today, I did only take the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Honestly, I worked with her face before. I know how her face gets, dry, oily. So I felt like the e.l.f. Power Grip was perfect in this scenario, especially for her graduation. So yeah. So guys, I gave her the fan just so the primer can dry down, and before I start on her eyebrows, y'all, I did take a loose powder and I applied it all over her eyebrows just to remove any excess oils away from her eyebrows and to make it easier for me to draw on her eyebrows. So if you find it's kind of hard to draw your eyebrows on because it's too oily or too greasy on your face, use loose powder. It works all the time, guys. For her eyebrows, I did take the Morphe Java pencil. Yeah, I swear I use this pencil for everybody. Depends on the skin tone though. I tend to go a little lighter when I'm working with more lighter people. But this is my favorite pencil, y'all. I love me some Morphe pencil. It's either this or the L'Oreal pencil or sometimes the NYX, but I don't really go towards the NYX. I mainly go towards the Morphe and L'Oreal. I'm concealing her eyebrows, guys. I did end up taking the LA Girl Beautiful Bronze and Milani 160 just to kind of balance it out with each other. And then the top of her eyebrows, I did take 185 from Milani Concealer because I didn't want nothing too light, but I didn't want nothing too dark neither for the top of her eyebrows. So yeah. This is probably the most easiest eye look I do on my clients, guys. So basically what I do, I take the Coffee Shop palette from Juvia's Place and I just blend these two brown shadows just to kind of give a transition and crease shade, not doing too much. And then I add like a little popping color in the middle. So I took Space something from Urban Decay and it was cute, but I wanted something more popping. So I took this Essence eyeshadow, type of silver eyeshadow, and I added down the eye and it was perfect. And then I blend the outer corners with the Coffee Shop browns that I was using, and y'all, easy peasy. And I added some lash glue on her eyebrows just because her eyebrow hair was a little curly and I wanted them to stay down. So guys, now we're on to the face. I took my L'Oreal W 9.8, I believe, and I put that around the redness of her face, and then I took my NARS Zambia foundation and I blended it out around her face. These combos are so perfect, y'all. I love using these two together when it comes to my more orange reddish clients. These two are perfect together. Alrighty, my love, so I'm doing something new where I apply the concealer on the back of my hand, taking my brush and apply it under the eyes just to kind of warm up the concealer. I use less product and it looks way more natural like this. So I took Beautiful Bronze and 165 from Milani, mixed those two together to give her a nice under eye highlight. It was perfect. And I highlighted around her under eye, cupid's bow, and nose off camera. And then I contoured her face just a little bit using my ebony contour stick from Black Opal. Yeah, I'm so out of that stick. I'm using literally everything from that stick. I need to go buy another one. But yeah, y'all. So now I am setting under her under eye with the Anastasia Deep Peach Powder. Setting everywhere I highlighted that. So now guys, I am setting her whole face with my MAC NW55 and Black Radiance Ebony or Black Coffee powder. I'm just setting around her face before I go in and bronze. And then I took the Deep Peach to bake under her eyes because I did want it a little lighter under her eyes. And then I am bronzing and contouring with my Juvia's Place Deep Dark or just dark palette. Yeah, I think it's just dark. Just bronzing up her face. And then guys, I go under her eyes with the Wet n Wild black liner just to kind of smoke it out. It's for a graduation. I didn't want to do too much, but I know it's going to be more in the afternoon, so I kind of wanted her eyes to pop a little more. Again, taking the same shades I took for the top of her eyeshadow. And yeah, y'all, this is probably like the easiest part, honestly. My clients don't like it, but it sets the look. Alrighty, y'all, so now I'm taking the pressed powder again, and I'm pressing it under her eyes just to kind of set the baking powder in her skin so she won't have any flashbacks. And everywhere else I baked that. Y'all, she looks so beautiful. She was so pretty when she posted her videos. She ate, actually. So I'm taking this blush from Juvia's Place, and then for her liner I'm taking the same Wet n Wild Cinnamon Brown pencil. And for her lips I took the NYX Fortune Cookie and this gloss I got from Essence, and it topped the look because she looked so good and the lips were perfect.
Oh, hey, you make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it, dive.
Alrighty guys, I added the Morphe Nude Spray and then the Makeup Revolution Spray and then the One Side Spray. Added the Morphe and the Revolution as more of like a setting. Not more like a fixing and setting, but the One Side is really going to like set everything down, y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next Vlogmas video. Bye, y'all.
Now I'm never do. Look at all the gas I blew. Rippers out in Vegas, still want these two. Booties just no shit.